Hello. Remember, we are starting still in Unit 3, and we are now in week 10. So we are now in day 2, Tuesday, April 20th. Let's see what you have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click Async. You have two activities in Async. The first activity is a Nearpod, comparatives and superlatives. So you all know how to do a Nearpod. So you'll click Join Lesson, and you'll complete the Nearpod. If you're having any trouble with the Nearpod, please let me know. Your second activity is in MEL. So you will go and do Unit 3, comparatives, grammar, comparatives, and superlatives, the grammar coach, and exercises 1 and 2. All right, and that's it for async. It's Tuesday, that means we have Zoom class together, and we will have a wonderful presentation with student services about balancing your budget and different ways of saving. So remember, when we meet with student services, it's a big class with all the level 6. And that's it. Good luck.